500 years ago, Magellan's crew spotted Patagonians over 3 meters tall in South America, writing in their logs, "Their steps are twice as big as ours." Meanwhile, on the other side of the globe, China's Book of the Later Han recorded a 2-3-meter-tall general named Zhu Wuba who tamed beasts, while European myths told of titans who could shake mountains. From the Pacific to the Mediterranean, different civilizations told stories of the same enormous figure. Was this just a coincidence? In 1912, American ranch workers digging for bat guano stumbled upon red-haired giant mummies nearly 2 meters tall with hair reaching their shoulders, matching the Paiute Indians' legend of cannibal giants. A more astonishing discovery emerged in Syria. Archaeologists found 8-meter-tall tombstone fragments near Aleppo, where locals claimed a 7.5-meter-tall giant was buried in a 10-meter-long grave. The only scientifically confirmed tall evidence is 5,000-year-old remains from China's Dawenku site, up to 232 meters tall, but just an ancient group with excess nutrition. Not mythical giants. But not all discoveries hold up. The giant skull unearthed in Mexico City in 1986 was suspected to be a prehistoric animal fossil because it was never sent to academia. See institutions for testing. The 3-meter giant bones in Xinjiang's Tarim Basin were more likely bone deformation from desert dryness. In 1869, a prehistoric giant fossil was dug up on a New York farm. Its 40-centimeter-long foot caused a sensation across the U.S. 50-cent tickets let the forgers earn $100,000 in 2 months. People marveled. Even blue veins are visible. But no one noticed it was just plaster aged with sulfuric acid. More absurdly, when the forgers admitted the hoax, audiences still flocked in. Some merchants even made fakes of fakes, claiming theirs were real, and earned even more. This hoax revealed a truth: people's longing for giants sometimes overcomes rational judgment. Similar farces repeated. Turkey's 1.2-meter giant leg bone was finally proven to be a mammoth fossil. The 6-fingered giant remains unearthed in Greece were actually a mix of human and animal fossils. Biologists offer the strongest rebuttal: once human height exceeds 2.5 meters, bones can't support weight and the cardiovascular system collapses. Robert Wadlow, the tallest modern human at 2.72 meters, died of sepsis at age 22. A 5-meter-tall giant would need bones 3 times denser than normal and 10 times stronger. Cardiopulmonary function impossible in Earth's biological evolution. The average Dutch height is 1.83 meters, 20 centimeters taller than 200 years ago, proving nutrition drastically affects height. Ancient records have flaws. The Spring and Autumn Annals say giants were 3 zhang tall, 6.9 meters by Zhou dynasty measurements. But ancient units were shorter than today. The giant country Incheon Haijing was likely a symbolic description of tall tribes. But the mystery isn't fully solved. Rumors claim the Smithsonian Institution destroyed many giant remains in the 19th century for not fitting evolution. The truth remains unknown. In the 1970s, explorers saw red-haired hunchback giants running in the Peruvian rainforest but couldn't get evidence. Maybe we should shift perspective. Could global giant legends be ancient humans' interpretations of the unknown? When early humans saw dinosaur fossils, they imagined powerful giants facing pyramids. They could only attribute them to giant works. As for whether Earth ever had giants, the current answer: no supernatural giant race, but ancient human groups with extraordinary height, and hoaxes born from longing. Which giant relic do you think is most likely real? Leave your opinion in the comments. Follow me for more archaeological mysteries next time.